So here's the deal. In order for you to get this, you guys need to go through this. Tucker! Good job! Todd! Yay! Tucker! Yes! Todd! Yes! Tucker! Yes! Really good! Todd! Yes! Tucker! Come on, Bubba! Come on, come on, come on! Wow! What? Todd! Come on, baby boy! Yeah! Tucker, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on! Oh, come on, you can do it! Come on! Come on, baby! Do you want it or not? Well, then you gotta jump. No, it's not too high. What, baby? That's one way to do it. Okay, come on. Jump. There you go, boy. Todd, come on, buddy. Yeah. Come on, Todd. Come on. Oh, whoa, yeah. Come on, Todd. Come on. Dang. All right, it's my last piece of steak. Todd, come. Come on, Todd. Come on, baby. You guys did a great job, didn't you? Tucker, I know you tapped out at some point, but that's okay. Todd, are you our champion jumper? Yeah. What? I have a piece of cheese for a reward. Okay. Hey, don't eat his cheese, pig.